Hey guys, it's Dan here. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos or anything. Haven't really done a cooking video in quite a while. But I've gotten some great items from some great YouTube channels. This is going to be a mail call today. Some wonderful people that I call friends on YouTube. As y'all know, we've been going through some very, very crazy times here lately. I just haven't had the chance to get any cooking videos out. I promise you I'm not done with YouTube. I am still going to be cooking for you guys. At the end of the video, I'll do a little more explanation. But let's get to this. Chuck, thank you very much for your care package. You've sent me some great stuff in the past. I appreciate it. If any of you guys go check out Plain Old Chuck, there's nothing plain about his channel. Awesome channel, love it. He knows that I love a bean company called Serious Bean Company. Their products are great. Unfortunately, I can only get a few of their products here where I live at. So he sent me 4 of their different flavors. Thank you, Chuck. First one is this cracked pepper. And no, I have not tried any of these yet because I wanted to shoot this video, and he sent it to me over a month ago. This is the one that I think is going to get open tonight. Chipotle. Dude, I can't wait. And we got jalapeno bacon. Oh my. And mustard Q barbecue beans. Those 4 flavors, I can't wait to try all of them. Chuck, once again, you know how to hit my belly. And as always, he gave me a handwritten note. I won't bore you guys with reading it and everything. Chuck, thank you very much. And then he sent me a few of these packs. He knows I put sauerkraut on a lot of stuff. These are Frank's individuals or singles. In case you're just making a dog or two, instead of opening a big old package of sauerkraut or something like that, these little individuals, I never knew they made them. I'm definitely going to try these, Chuck. Thank you. I'll leave a link for him and the rest of the people in this videos down below. Another guy. I don't know if you guys know Steve Brown, better known as Uncle Steve. Uncle Steve Shake. Well, you guys know that I won a contest off of Dutch BBQ's channel, and I got a 6-month supply. Well, he went ahead and he sent me a little more of the Gator Shake the other day. I didn't ask for it unsolicited. Great deal. But he also sent with his brand new flavor. I love his spicy R. I've done a couple of videos with his spicy R. He just made a sweet and spicy R. Have not tried it yet, have not opened it, Steve. Gonna do it. I'll make a video for it. Thank you very, very much. That is so wonderful of you. All right. Like I said, I've gotten a lot of mail. Next guy up. Let me cover his address. Dutch BBQ. I don't know if you guys know Ken or not. He helps host the Hot Seat with CJ. He sent me 2 of his stickers. I'll put those to good use. And I'm glad you sent those to me because I really needed to ask you a question. I see you do a lot of your videos with suckle busters, and I've never used it before. This isn't part of the mail call. I bought this myself, but I went and I bought me some suckle busters hog waller. Kent, if you watch this video, you got my phone number. Send me a text, or you got my email, send me an email. What's the first thing I need to cook with this? Suckle busters, best in Texas. Never tried it, gonna try it. Alright, now, if I can lift this. Once again, let me cover the address. I have not even opened this. This big old box. I won a contest from D.A. Berry Outdoors. I don't know if you know David or not. Does a lot of great projects, some cooking, everything else. Awesome channel. Another one of those channels you guys really want to subscribe to. Let me get this box open. I'm telling you right now, I've been dying to open this. This came about a week and a half ago. Just have not had the chance to do any filming. And I told him I would not open this until I was filming because I wanted him to be able to see my reaction. So, more people get cut by a dull knife than a sharp knife. So if I get cut, watch out. I've got to sharpen this. Alright. There we go. I think I finally got it. Hey, I got some bubble wrap. I love playing with bubble wrap. Alright, what do we got going on here? Alright, first thing I got's a handwritten note. Butcher block conditioner directions. Okay. I'm going to set this to the side. I won't bore you guys with that. Dave, I promise you I will read it. Oh, and another handwritten note. I love this. I will definitely read this. Thank you so much, David. Now, I kind of have an idea what's in here because this was a giveaway and I entered the contest. But I will tell you that he was also giving away some of that Uncle Steve shake. But since I had some, I told him to pay it forward and have a second drawing. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Jason from, gosh, I should do my research before I start videoing. Texas Bow Hunter. I'm real sure he's the one that won the Uncle Steve shake. When you try it, you'll love it. Trust me. Alright, where do I want to start at? Oh, dude. First off, you know I love cast iron. I can tell this is a Lodge Wildlife Series. I won't bore you with me opening up the bubble wrap and everything right now because that might take me a minute. But dude, that is cool. That, I believe, is a 6-inch. I'm going to dig in here just a little bit. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I can't help it. 6.5 inch. All right. I'm going to open that here in just a second. Take a look at it. Dave, that is wonderful. You know I'll put that to use. These look like lint-free rags. I'm sure that has something to do with the directions on taking care of this cutting board. Ooh, Lodge pot holders. Dude, these things are great. Love them. Thank you very much. You know you'll see these in my videos and everything because I use them all the time. Love them. All right, what we got here? Hong Modern Curve Tumbler. Oh, dude. This is what his wife was going to do custom artwork on. I cannot wait to see this. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. My goodness. Thank you so much. You guys are so talented. All right. Oh my goodness. This might go to work with me today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sun's just now starting to rise. I'm filming this before I'm getting ready to head off to work. All right, this is Butcher Blunt Conditioner. All right, I won't bore you with opening that, but I will read the instructions. I'll make sure that I take care of this. This right here is the reason I entered the contest. I sat there and I watched. Oh, hold on a second before I show you that. Hey, I've got me a D.A. Barry outdoor sticker. That'll go to good use. And believe it or not, I've been subscribed to Papa Texas for a couple of years. We just haven't traded anything. I'll leave a link for his YouTube channel down below also. That is awesome. My first Papa Texas sticker. Cool. All right, now to the reason I entered the contest. Let me take a look at this, and I will bore you with me taking this out of the bubble wrap. It is Christmas in June here in Indiana. Oh my goodness. Guys, I gotta get closer to the camera. I wish you could feel how smooth this is. Look at that. Look at that craftsmanship. It is slick as a whistle. It is smooth. I am definitely going to put this to great use. You will see this in several of my videos, I promise. When I'm doing some cutting. Man. David, thank you very, very much. And I hope you and your family are doing well. I appreciate this so much. I really do. This is awesome. And this is actually only the second wooden cutting board I've ever had in my life. I usually buy the cheap plastic stuff at the store. Thank you very much. But if you guys have been wondering why I haven't done any cooking videos here lately, our stores, number one, just don't have a lot of stuff in them. So everybody's hoarding all the meat products and stuff. I could do 20 chicken videos in a row, but I think I kind of did that over the winter. I mean, I have a lot of cooking chicken and everything. Plus also me and the wife, we're back trying to get healthy again. Now the doctors' offices are open and stuff. Don't worry, it's nothing that's going to kill me. You guys still have to put up with me for several more years here on YouTube. But we've been doing the doctoring, and then as you guys know, if you follow my channel and everything, I work at a marina on a lake near here, and what better place to quarantine than out on a boat? It has been super busy since the middle of March. I've been working 6 to 7 days a week. Everybody has at the marina. You know, we've been doing what we can do by state guidelines and everything like that. It's just been between work and everything else. I will get back to cooking for you guys. I really hope all you guys have been safe during these trying times. This is just a totally different world than we had 3.5 months ago. I am going to get back to cooking. I'm going to show you great things. I will tell you this, as far as outdoor cooking goes, if you have to be quarantined, be with your family, whatnot, if you're not going to go take vacations, watch a few of my videos. Very cheap to get into cast iron cooking, get you a Dutch oven or whatnot. Go to a campground, go to the woods, whatever. I will be showing you some more recipes, I promise. Everybody just stay safe out there. Bless all of you. Love each and every one of you. And you all have a wonderful day.